Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Vanguard error WAN84. An unexpected error with Vanguard has occurred and the client will now close. So if you are getting this Vanguard error WAN84 in League of Legends game, then here follow the fixes. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the League of Legends server status. So the problem is from their side and it's not your issue. This error generally occurs when League of Legends experience problem on their online services. It usually happens when Vanguard experiences issues. So you can check this down detector website to check the server status of League of Legends. And once you are on this down detector website, scroll down and here you will see the graph. And you can see so many players have reported the problem related to League of Legends server issues. So if you find their server status is down, having outage or under maintenance or facing any kind of issues, then in such case you need to wait until their server status gets back online and then you can check back later. But in case if their server status is online and if it is still getting the Vanguard error WAN84, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your PC. So just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to disable IPv6. So on your keyboard, press Windows plus R button to open the run box, and then here type ncpa.cpl and then press the enter button, and then select your internet connection. In my case, I have connected to Wi-Fi, and then select properties. Now see the IPv6. If it is ticked mark, then untick it and then click OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to launch the game as admin. So you have to run VJ-tree as admin and then launch right client as admin and then check. So open File Explorer, open C drive, open Program Files folder. Now open the right Vanguard folder, and here you will see the VG-tray.exe file. Right click on it and then select Run as Administrator. And then in Windows search type right client and then run the right client as an administrator. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to try Google DNS Server and then Flush DNS. So press Windows plus R button on your keyboard and then type ncpa.cpl and then click OK. And then select your connected internet. If you are connected to Ethernet cable, then right click on Ethernet cable. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then right click on it and then select properties. And then first of all, make sure IPv6 is unticked. If it is ticked mark, then untick it. And then select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and then click on properties. Now check mark the second option, use the following DNS server addresses, and in preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK to save changes and close it. And then in Windows search type cmd and then run the command prompt as an administrator. So click on Run as Administrator, click Yes to allow, and in the command prompt type this code. I will provide this code in my video description. Just you can copy, paste it over here and then hit enter. This will flush the DNS and then you close it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then fix 5 is to start the VGC service and run this command in cmd. So in Windows search, first of all search for services and open it. And here look for VGC, here it is, right click on it and then select properties. And in the starter type, select automatic from the drop down and then click on start. This will start the VGC service, so just wait for it. And then click on apply, OK. And then in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on Run as Administrator, click Yes to allow. Now in the command prompt type this code you can copy this code from my video description. Just copy it and paste it over here and then hit enter. After this, close this and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Vanguard error WAN84. An unexpected error with Vanguard has occurred and the client will now close in League of Legends game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.